In number 16, taken from the GCSE 9-1 past paper, June 2019-2H, the straight line L has the equation 3y equals 4x plus 7. The point A has coordinates 3 minus 5. Find an equation of the line, straight line, that is perpendicular to L and passing through A. So sketching the graph here, we have, this is L1 or this is L, and we have a point A. It can be on the line or it can be away from the line. It doesn't matter. We only need to know that L1, it's the line that's passing through A and perpendicular to L, so I called it L1. They didn't mention the name of the line perpendicular, so I called it L1. How would we know that the point A belongs or does not belong to L? They didn't mention it in the question, but you can replace the coordinates of point A in the line and check if it satisfies. So if we replace 3, so replacing it here, 3 into minus 5, is it equal to 4 into 3 plus 7? So minus 15, is it equal to 12 plus 7? The answer is no. So A does not belong to the line. Now, do you have to do this every time they give you this question? Though you don't really have to do that. I just wanted you to know that you can check if a point belongs to the line by replacing its coordinates in the line. If it's true, then if it satisfies, then the point belongs to the line. If it doesn't, then it does not belong to the line. So in our case here, the point does not belong to the line. So we need to find a line, the equation of line L1 that passes through A and perpendicular to L. So let us find the gradient of L. In order to find the gradient of L, we should write the equation of line L in this form: y equals ax plus b. So we have to divide in order to have 1y, so we have to divide by 3. And once you divide by 3, you're going to get this equation of line L. Therefore, A, which is represented here, is representing the gradient of line L. In order to find the gradient of L1, which is perpendicular to L, you need to apply this rule. The gradient of L times the gradient of L1 is equal to minus 1. So you replace 4 over 3 times gradient of L1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the gradient of L1 is equal to the negative reciprocal of 4 over 3, which is equal to minus 3 over 4, which is here. Now, in order to find the equation of the line, you need to apply the formula y minus y of A equals to the gradient x minus x of A. Replacing these inside the formula, and you are going to get y plus 5 equals minus 3 over 4 times x minus 3. Expanding, pay attention that you don't write them in decimals, you write them or you expand them keeping the fraction. So expanding, you have to pay attention for this plus, because minus times minus times minus is plus, and then you take the 5 to the other side, then you take a common denominator. After that, when you take the common denominator, you're going to get 9 over 4 minus 5 over 1. Common denominator is 9 minus 20 over 4, which is equal to minus 11 over 4. Therefore, the equation of line L1 is equal to y equals minus 3 over 4x minus 11, which is the line that's perpendicular to L and passing through A.